In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GitHub to access your personal access tokens. Let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and go to GitHub's website. Just type GitHub into your search bar and click on the appropriate link to get there. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure that you have your credentials handy. Logging in is important because without it, you won't be able to make any of the necessary changes or access the settings we're looking for. Once you're logged in, you will want to navigate to your personal profile. You can do this by looking for your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear. From the menu, you'll want to look for and select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, as it will allow you to manage various aspects of your GitHub account, from your username to more advanced developer settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a sidebar full of options. Here, you're looking for Developer Settings. This section is crucial for accessing and managing APIs amongst other developer-oriented functionalities. Click on Developer Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to developer tools. On this new page, your target should be the Personal Access Tokens option. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. This is where GitHub allows you to generate tokens for accessing its API. After clicking on Personal Access Tokens, you'll find yourself on a page that lists any tokens you might already have. Each token is linked to your account and provides access to the GitHub API for various development tasks. If you need to create a new token, you would typically click on something that says Generate New Token or similar. But for today's task, we are just viewing what's already there. You should see a list or table of tokens, including some basic details about when they were created and what permissions they have. Remember, keep these tokens secure as they act like a password and can give access to your account if used improperly. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through GitHub to find your personal access tokens within the developer settings. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow, and now you feel more confident in managing your GitHub account's access tokens. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.